Hi guys, today's story is There is a Bird on Your Head by the completely awesome, best in the world, Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Here comes the bird, he's coming down. Poor Gerald's not gonna know what hit him. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. I love their expressions in this book. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. What do birds usually put in nests that they build? Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three! You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Yeah, ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. And that's the end of the book. A couple things about Mo Willems that I love, even for 3rd graders that is the age I teach. Yes, they're easy to read. The words aren't that hard. But man, this is great for teaching you to pay attention to the characters' emotions and how they say things and to build your fluency. Take picture cues. Sometimes they look sarcastic. Sometimes they look excited, overjoyed. I love how this author and illustrator color codes the dialogue bubble. So my 3rd graders are learning a lot about dialogue. Every time that Gerald, the elephant, speaks, it's in this grayish blue color for dialogue. And every time that Piggy, the pig, speaks, it's in a pink. And you'll notice toward the end of the book, when the birds speak about leaving, it's also in a different color. So this is a really cool way to differentiate the dialogue that's working here. I also love that when he wants you to shout, he uses big, bold letters. Whenever they're whispering, the letters are smaller, sometimes in italics. It tells you how to emphasize it. These books are awesome, not just because they're really funny and parents like reading them as well as kids, but because there's so much underlying reading skill at work here. So I hope you enjoyed There's a Bird on Your Head, and there's so many other titles to this series. Check them out next time you're in school.